Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a short video. I have got this question a number of times that what speed should we speak at when it comes to PT speaking? Many students are confused. They think that speaking fast will give them higher score or they'll get more scores in fluency if they'll speak at a very fast pace. I always tell that fluency is not just your speed, it's more of your flow. You can go at a relatively slower pace but still get full points in fluency. To get full points in fluency, what you need to do, you need to maintain a flow. You don't have to go too fast, neither too slow. You have to go at a moderate pace, speak in a flow without any kind of hesitations and natural pauses. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one read aloud, one repeat sentence, one describe image, one retell lecture, just to show you guys what speed I speak at and what I ask all my students to speak at, so that you have a clear idea what fluency is and what speed you have to speak at. Let me share my screen and then we'll go from there. So this is a read aloud, right? I'll give you an example. What is too fast? Many students do it this way. Our information office on campus provided resources and support to help you make the right choices about childcare, whether you are a student, staff, or member of the loop. This is not how you do it. Might be you think you're speaking fluently, but that is not what fluently or being fluent means. And at the same time, you're not clear. What are you going to do with just fluency points if you're not getting points in your content and pronunciation? Don't even speak like this. Our information office on campus provided resources and support to help you make the right choices. You don't have to speak word by word. You have to speak a sentence. You're not supposed to speak words. What speed or what flow you have to speak? What is the right way? Our information office on campus provided resources and support to help you make the right choices about childcare, whether you are a student, staff, or member of the local community. The office provides information about the 5 centers closest to our campuses, relevant government agency, and other daycare center in the surrounding areas. Now, what I did over here, I took a slide pause at comma and full stop just to make sure I don't run out of breath. The same thing you have to do. Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow. Don't sing a song. Don't take your pitch up and down again and again. Just speak the way you speak naturally. Take slide pause at comma, full stop. If there's no comma, full stop, whenever there's a connector, take a slide pause so that you don't run out of breath and you speak as clearly as possible. That is what you have to do. Now, another thing, remember, this is not practically possible that you repeat or speak at the same pace throughout speaking. Obviously, there will be a few, minor variations, but you don't have to stress about it. That is just a part of it. Minor variations in fluency between different tasks or different question types is normal, and you shouldn't be stressing about that. You're not a robot. You cannot speak everything in the same pace. Let me show you how I do repeat sentences.
We have been doing research in that area for probably 25 years.
We have been doing research in that area for probably 25 years. That's it. Don't speak it this way. We have been speaking 25 years research. No. Calm and composed, understand the sentence as much as you remember, speak it clearly and confidently, and move on. Don't rush, don't panic, don't try to finish everything in a single go. Very calm and composed and speak clearly. Describe image. Don't go this way. The image gives information about popularity of cultural websites in Scotland. It is a very beautiful image, and I have to speak for 40 seconds about this image. It is a very beautiful image. There are different elements in the image which are none of these concerned. No, you're not a robot. You're not supposed to go too fast. You're not supposed to speak everything in a single go. Calm and composed. Right? I'll show you how I do it. The image gives information about popularity of websites. It is a very beautiful image, and I have to speak for 40 seconds about this image. There are a lot of different elements in the image, which are theater, concert, and websites. I can also see archive records and websites. I can see library, websites, and gallery. I can see 10%, 20%, and 30%. One of the element is maximum, the other one is minimum. To conclude, the image is informative. At a moderate pace, clearly, confidently, speak easy words. If you have less keywords, you repeat the same words. But if there's any word you're not sure about, don't speak it. That's what I want you to do. Last, Retell Lecture. Same thing here as well. Okay, I'll just open the transcript. Just let's suppose I've got these keywords. Vacation was the main topic of the lecture. He told about vacation, Athens, and sorry, I'll start again. Vacation was the main topic of the lecture. He told about vacation, Athens, and first time. He told about experiencing new events and new sites. He told about new sites, vacation, and back. He told about extended period, time, and point. He told about experiences, memory, and impression. He told about impression, long period, and retrospectively. To conclude, the lecture was informative. That's it. That's all. Speaking is super duper easy. You have to be calm. You have to follow the basics. Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow, and you'll be fine. So guys, this is how you have to do it. You don't have to rush. You don't have to go very slow. You don't have to go word by word. Normal pace, moderate pace. Take slight pause so that you don't run out of breath. If you are out of breath, you won't be able to speak clearly and you have done your job. Obviously, there will be slight variations when you move from one question type to another, and you don't need to panic. The pace you speak repeat sentences at will not exactly be the same you speak your read aloud or describe image. There will be minor differences, but they cannot be a very big difference. You cannot go very slow in read aloud and very, very fast in Retell Lecture. So you have to maintain whatever pace you're speaking at, and you have to focus on clarity. You can go slightly slower in a flow and speak clearly, still get 90 or 90. So that is what I wanted to share in this quick video. I hope the video was helpful. If you think it was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you ever get your scores watching my videos, do let me know. That is the only thing I work for, and that will keep me going on. If you need any help, you can contact us on any of these numbers. You can visit our website, take a free full score mock test, and practice for free using AI. You just need to register and start practicing. Or you can download 𝗙𝗵𝗃 exam practice app, and everything will be sorted for you. Last, do let me know if you want me to cover any other topic, and if you want me to analyze your scorecards, just shoot me an email, Varun, VARUN @languageacademy.com.au, with number of attempts you have taken, your desired scores, and your scorecards, and I'll try and analyze it for you. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.